The Packard Automotive Plant was once considered the most advanced auto production facility of the era, but is now one of the largest abandoned buildings in the world. Opened in 1903, the Packard Plant sprawled across an impressive 40 acres and consists of over 3 million square feet of manufacturing and office space. Over 30,000 people, skilled craftsmen from 80 different trades, came to work here every day. The facility was considered the most modern of its kind and produced luxury Packard cars and even manufactured aircraft engines for the U.S. military during World War II. Sadly, the Packard Motor Company could not keep up with its competition and was forced to close its doors in 1958. Since that time, the entire plant has remained empty and unused, making it the largest abandoned building in the entire world. The Packard Plant sits as a relic, a poignant reminder of Detroit's faded industrial might. The future of the development is unclear, but the goal is to redevelop the Packard Plant as a mixed development of residential and commercial property.